Oh my god!
Look, this huge whale shark is tightly chasing the man's buttocks and not letting go. What the hell is going on here? Just half an hour ago, the man was still swimming in the sea. But at that moment, a huge whale shark suddenly appeared in front of the man, and then quickly swam towards him. The boy was frightened when he saw this scene. Swim to the side of the boat immediately and prepare to climb up. But the whale shark quickly caught up with the boat. Facing very dangerous situations, the man can only tightly grasp the boat and climb up. Fortunately, in the end, he climbed onto the ship without any danger. But strangely enough, the whale shark did not leave the ship, but constantly swimming back and forth around the ship. Whale sharks, although large in size, have a gentle personality, will not easily launch attacks on humans. The experienced captain suddenly realized this may be the whale shark seeking their help, so he immediately arranged for his colleagues to contact the Marine Animal Rescue Organization, and then he jumped onto the back of the whale shark. Seeing humans following over, the whale shark began to swim rapidly towards the distance. The rescue team who received the call for help also quickly arrived in this sea area. After the rescue team jumped underwater, soon discovered a huge whale shark be firmly entangled by a thick rope with a heavy burden. It cannot move quickly, losing their predatory ability. They are likely to starve to death soon. Seeing this, the rescue workers finally understand. The reason why the whale shark approached humans just now was to save its companions. Two rescue workers will immediately approach this whale shark. Use a knife to vigorously cut this thick rope. Rescue such marine organisms in the deep sea. Rescue workers have to take huge risks. Faced with such a behemoth, even if it has a small movement, will cause great trouble for rescue workers under the impact of ocean currents. The whale shark flipped over in a moment. Rescue forced to be interrupted. Seeing such a thrilling scene, please light up the little red star. Everyone, hope the rescuers can return safely. There are still wives, children at home waiting for them to return smoothly. Also hope that the whale shark can be safely rescued. The rescuers patiently waited until the whale shark returned to its proper position. Seize the opportunity again. Make every effort to cut this thick rope. The ropes used in the sea are made of high-strength and corrosion-resistant materials, very sturdy and durable. After nearly an hour of rescue, finally cut off this thick rope. The whale shark finally regained its freedom. After the rescuers removed the rope that bound the whale shark, this whale shark did not immediately swim away. Subsequently, swam happily around the rescue workers. It expresses gratitude to the savior in this way. Thank you to the witty and brave rescuers. Please give them a small like. Good people live a safe life.